All Part Manager differences can be inspected in the Details section, and to update all changes, simply click the Update button. Individual components can also be updated by selecting them on the canvas and inspecting their sync status in the Property panel. Once updated, the sync status symbol turns green, and users can continue to work on their schematic. The differences are categorized into 3 sections. In sync means a part in the schematic matches the library version. Autosync means that a part on the schematic is different than its library reference. And System Capture can automatically resolve the difference by either updating the symbol on the canvas or changing a property definition. Manual sync refers to any part difference which cannot be automatically resolved by System Capture, such as the part no longer existing in the library and would require the user to manually delete the part or re-add it to a missing library. Part Manager keeps tabs on all library components referenced in a design and their cached versions embedded into the design. Part Manager UI has a summary view as well as a detailed view for inspecting differences.